everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing, guys? Hope you're having an amazing day. Yes, I have some Born Pretty unboxings to do. I was actually going to do this whole ASMR, peel it off, don't breathe, but I changed my mind. I'm just going to take it off so we can get into it. Okay, guys, so I have opened everything up. We're going to get into the swatching. Now, shout out to Kaale's Nails because I saw sister use this extension gel and it's like, what are those? What is that? What is it? NSG 13. Oh, wait till you see it. And I was absolutely losing it. And I think I really slept on this one because I missed it. But look at that. Look at that. Oh, wow. So I literally just want to have it for some of the nail because I'm thinking of having it like an ombre. So I'm going to use my silicone tool just to push it around in that nail. Okay. Now I know this is a rubber-based gel and I believe it should be a clear one, which is perfect because it definitely cuts all the steps. Now let's just check. Yep, that is a clear rubber-based coat. So we're happy about that. Now this one, I think, if I remember correctly, is a base coat, but it's a sticky base coat. Now, there are two things that I definitely want to try with this. It says super base gel. So even though it says base gel there, but it's a super base gel, it's supposed to be really sticky. So I need to find out. Let's get into some of these colors. I think this is a liner paint gel. So again, Priya, thank you for indulging my pink fantasy. So this one is LP09. Ooh, she's beautiful. Okay, so this is CG100. I think it's just the color, I think, because Valentine's is coming. So now I have some color. I am going to get that on my nail. Now this is a pink I didn't have. You know when you look at the Born Pretty colors and it has literally all the colors from like 1 to 1,000,000. It literally looks like 1,000,000 colors. So sometimes I look at that screen and, you know, like where they sometimes have that game where it's like words in a grid and the first word you see is going to mean XYZ, whatever. But basically in this instance, it's the first color that comes to your mind. It's like, you know, you have to play a game of honesty with yourself. What's the first color that's coming out to your brain? What do you see? So now on this front side of the nail, I can put some color here that I'm going to ombre into the nail. I love the jelliness of this this color, honestly. Now I'm just going to do my second coat. I'm just going to dab just that bit there. So it looks really faded, right? So with that super base, two things I want to know. Can I use it as a sticky base for stamping? And is it sticky enough to do a foil transfer? So I'm going to put some on this nail. I didn't put anything else on after 2 coats of that polish. And I will be curing this for 60 seconds. The viscosity of this gel is definitely different to a normal base gel. And that's even before it's cured. Such coverage. I feel like it's already stickier. So it's not like a rubber base. Oh, that's my dog trying to get in. It's not a rubber base, but it definitely has self-leveling properties. You can see that's absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. Oh, while that's in the lamp, I want to try something with this rubber base gel. I'm gonna put some down, just like at the center there. I know you've probably seen this everywhere. Oops. I'm gonna place this on top and literally just squash it down. This is just a test, literally a test. Let's see. So it works with the rubber base gel as well. So I'm going to try with the stamping. I'm going to see if it's sticky enough, because now I don't know whether it's for this or if it's for something else. Now, this is a Born Pretty stamper I did buy, but the only thing is you can't really see. You can and you can't. Okay, so that is sticky enough to do a transfer. Okay, I'm very happy with this base coat. Okay, so this is definitely very versatile. I love the fact that, you know, you can, you know, not only can you stamp with it, but you can definitely do, you know, I mean, obviously some base coats were sticky enough, but for me it was more definitely for the stamping. I'm going to try this this liner gel. Definitely love how pigmented this is. I like it a lot. I really do. Okay, let me just use this ombre brush. This is a stunning pink. I'm just adding, oops. I also have some caviar beads. I thought the silver would be better. Thank you all so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little video with me unboxing my Born Pretty PR. How beautiful is this color? Oh wow. As I said, I looked at the chart, it screamed out at me. It happened to be pink, but I was being honest. And I will, as I said, I will leave a link for the numbers of the products that I got. But that's the pink there that I just used. So beautiful, so true to that color. And then on that pink, I then went ahead to try out this super base gel. Now, on the description on the PR list, it showed that it was sticky. So I wasn't sure if it was sticky while applying it or sticky once cured. Reason being is because when I do my stamping, I normally have to use foil gel glue because my base coat isn't sticky. So I just tried that and I put one thin coat, cured it for 60 seconds. Perfect transfer, no problem. And I just tried using some foil transfers, and you know, normally we have sticky layers that will do that, but for me, I am most impressed because I was able to do the stamping, and it's going to cut out 2 steps because this is a base gel. So normally I'd have to put a base coat down and then the foil gel glue. I don't have to do that now. This will work. So yeah, that was that. And the other swatch, I got to test out this non-stick hand extension gel, NSG 13. And I had first seen my nail sister Kaale Nails show this on her channel. It's absolutely stunning. That's what we have there at the bottom. It's just flawless. And I used the Liner Gel LP09. Now you're not really going to see much of it left, but that reflectiveness that you can see there, that is LP09. Let's just see. That little circle there was made using the rubber base gel. Now, I don't know if people have been seeing the hacks where you're using just these little plastic tips, slips. You know, this was literally from the back of a sticker. And you can put it on top. And I just thought, let me just try and see if it works with the rubber base gel. And, you know, it definitely does. It's just, yeah, it just adds more dimension. I mean, we love it. We're here for it. And I just used that pink and ombre that in. So, yeah. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it finds you in good health and strength, guys. Honestly, it's literally what we're hoping for. There we go. So yeah, these are the 2 swatches that I did just testing the products, and I absolutely love this pink. But yeah, look at that reflectiveness there. I don't know if you can see it. Absolutely gorgeous. And I was using Born Pretty stamping gels as well. And this is a Born Pretty stamping plate that I also used. I have unboxed in previous videos. Alright guys, I'm Mama Does Nails and I'm out. Please feel free to use and share the discount codes on screen, guys. It's the season of love. So, you know, spread the love. And I still have a giveaway going, guys. Don't forget, still a giveaway going on my channel. Because once I get to 1K, I'll be picking 2 or possibly 3 winners. You never know. Anyway, that brings me to the end. I love you. I'm Mama Does Nails and I'm hungry. No, I'm joking. I love you. And I'm out. Oh my gosh, I can't help it. Got pink hair, red there. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Anyway, bye loves. Bye.